Did you know that when bananas are boiled and the water is consumed, this creates a tea that offers great levels of nutrition and, most importantly, unique health benefits for our overall health? To make this mixture at home, you will need 1 organic banana, 5 to 6 cups of water, and a teaspoon of raw honey. Bring the water to a boil and add the bananas to the boiling water. Allow the banana to steep for about 10 minutes. Remove from heat and strain the water into a cup. Let cool and then add the honey. This drink is often consumed at night before bed. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming banana tea regularly. First, this mixture is incredibly healthy. Banana tea offers many healthy vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can promote our overall health. Specifically, it is a good source of potassium, vitamin B12, manganese, magnesium, and vitamin C. As well, it also contains some dietary fiber, as well as pectin and antioxidant compounds. Surprising to some, but banana tea is commonly consumed due to its ability to naturally promote sleep and remedy sleeping problems. Drinking banana tea regularly can also help to promote healthy digestion. This is often attributed to the high levels of magnesium and potassium found in the tea. These healthy nutrients help to improve muscle function and promote the health and functionality of the digestive tract. It can also help to improve heart health and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease.